Choosing the right treadmill for your home gym can be overwhelming. Fear not, fitness enthusiasts. I've delved into the details of 5 popular models in 2024, analyzing their features, performance, and value to help you find your perfect match. While I haven't personally used these products, I've leveraged expert reviews, user insights, and brand reputation to provide a comprehensive overview. Number 1. Nordic Track Commercial 2450. Pros: powerful motor, decline feature, extensive workout library with IFIT membership, sturdy construction. Cons: expensive, large footprint, IFIT membership required for many features. My experience: the 2450 is a beast of a machine, perfect for serious runners and walkers. The decline feature adds challenge and variety, while the IFIT library keeps workouts fresh and engaging. However, the price tag is hefty, and the IFIT membership adds to the cost. If you're on a budget or a casual exerciser, this might be overkill. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride T4400 Folding Incline Treadmill. Pros: affordable, compact, and foldable, decent incline range, basic workout programs. Cons: lacks cushioning, lower motor power, limited features. My experience: the sulfur monofluoride T4400 is a budget-friendly option for basic walking or jogging. It folds for easy storage and has a decent incline for adding some challenge. However, the cushioning is minimal and the motor might struggle with intense workouts. If you're on a tight budget and prioritize light exercise, this could be a good fit. Number 3. Soul Fitness F63 Treadmill. Pros: comfortable cushioning, quiet operation, built-in cooling fan, lifetime warranty on motor and frame. Cons: no decline feature, limited workout programs, basic display. My experience: the F63 shines in its comfort and durability. The cushioning is excellent, reducing joint stress, and the lifetime warranty provides peace of mind. However, the lack of decline and limited features might not appeal to those seeking advanced workouts. Consider this if comfort and reliability are your top priorities. Number 4. Bowflex Treadmill 22. Pros: large and sturdy design, powerful motor, integrated JRNY membership with interactive workouts, decline feature. Cons: high price point, bulky design, JRNY membership required for some features. My experience: the Treadmill 22 is a premium option with impressive features. The decline feature, powerful motor, and interactive JRNY workouts offer a gym-like experience at home. However, the price is substantial, and the bulky design might not be ideal for smaller spaces. Number 5. Nordic Track Commercial X22i. Pros: large touchscreen display, powerful motor with incline and decline, extensive workout library with IFIT membership, automatic speed and incline adjustments. Cons: very expensive, large footprint, IFIT membership required for many features. My experience: the X22i is the ultimate home gym treadmill, offering everything you could ask for. The large display, powerful motor, and automatic adjustments make workouts seamless, while the IFIT library provides endless training options. But again, the price tag is astronomical, and the IFIT membership adds to the cost. This is only for those who truly demand the best and have the budget to match.